It's a bit tricky to select just 3 languages because there are a lot of them and you may have a different selection depending on what you're going to do. But from a demand standpoint, we can say that these are the 3 most demanded languages worldwide. Number 1. Python. Main use cases: artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and web development. Python is widely known as a programming language that's easy to master due to its simple syntax, a variety of frameworks, and a good integration with other popular programming languages such as C and C++. According to the PyPL index, Python is the number 1 language worldwide, with a market share of 28%. Number 2. Java. Main use cases: desktop apps, mobile applications, and web apps. Java is another object-oriented programming language that has been serving as a secure, reliable, and scalable tool for developers around the world. It's widely used thanks to its capabilities like platform independence, portability, high performance, and backward compatibility. Java ranks at place number 2 with a market share of 18%. Number 3. JavaScript. Main use cases: web development, server apps, and mobile apps. JavaScript has become one of the main high-level multi-paradigm programming languages that works as the top frontend for the web, handling most of the interactions offered by web pages. JavaScript is also an excellent option if your goal is to run apps across multiple devices. Currently, it is the 3rd top language worldwide with a market share of 9%. A bonus. Number 4. C and C++. We can't forget about C and C++. C is considered by most programmers as the father of all languages because basically most of them are derived more or less from C. As of February of 2022, C and C++ are in 4th place worldwide, with a market share of about 8%. Which one will you pick? Keep learning and see you next time.